heard you, and we are going to work with you so that we make sure that that does not work against what you want to do. Again, we are bringing down the cost of telephony, and we are also reducing excise on the internet, again, so that our creatives and the whole ecosystem around online work, online engagement can be a lot more easier and a lot more cheaper. We are also digitizing all government services because we want to make government efficient, we want to make government effective so that you do not have to walk and queue in government offices. It will be possible shortly, as I said yesterday, for you to engage government, to pay for government services, to access government services from the comfort of your home, using your device. You do not have to go to any government office. You can engage government in whatever manner. And that's why we are putting all government services online. I have committed that by the end of this year, we will have all government services online. You can access, you can pay, you can transact with the government of Kenya from the comfort of your home or office using whatever device. And as I committed, we are also going to ensure that a properly enabled, either 4G or 5G enabled device is made in Kenya and at an affordable price so that more people can work around it. Let me also say that we recognize the great potential among our artists and has identified the creative space as a major foundation of job creation and economic activity, as I have explained to you. The performing arts provide an inexhaustible spring from which future generations can feed. The government will work with stakeholders in an effort to achieve these ideas and work with everybody from the bottom going up. I know it has been said here that Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development is curating all these services, all these production, and all the content that is being profiled here. I want to tell you, my good brother, it's not just enough to curate. It is time to digitize. It is time, and I want you to work with the Ministry of ICT. This content can actually be monetized, and it should be monetized, so that the people who performed here, look, didn't Riara really go out of their way with the eyes of it? Tuwapigie makofi hawa warembo. You guys are awesome. You are just amazing.